In this video, I will show you how to delete all objects, images, and charts in Microsoft Excel. So select, then press delete key on keyboard. Then select chart. If you have this type of chart, so double click, then press delete key on keyboard. If you are not able, so click on this border line, then press delete. Similarly, you can delete shape. So this is the way you can delete shape, picture, and graph in Excel. This is the formal way. You want to delete in just one click. So click on this page layout and click on this selection pane. Now here guys, click on this selection pane, and here you can hide these all objects. You can show. Now select any object, like you want to delete all shapes in just one click. Press Ctrl A, and now press delete key on keyboard. So in just one click you can delete all objects, shape, picture, and graph in Excel. Thanks for watching.